Here we go, guys. Again, I'm telling you guys, it's the same. What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Um, so as you guys could tell, I'm a little. I don't have that much light today because my light got messed up, so I have to go to Best Buy or Walmart tomorrow and buy a new one. It's been raining a lot over here where I live. It's been like thundering, raining. It's been raining for like 4 days already. So I guess the light today probably was coming like on and off. I wasn't home. I was probably coming off on and off, and my light just stopped working. So I'll have to buy another light. I'll probably go to Best Buy or Walmart or wherever to buy one tomorrow. But so yeah, guys, if you see there's a little dark, it's because of that. Let me know how this week was for you guys. This week was great for me. Besides Monday, Monday was when I took the big loss of $2,000 and like $14. So Monday was the only losing day I had this week. But other than that, it was great. It was great. So let's get to it. So Monday. So this was Monday right here. Let me go down. So I explained Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday already, so I won't spend that much time. This is where I lost my 2,000 because I thought it was gonna reject this zone right here, but it didn't. And then later on that day, I noticed that price was just kind of range. Then Tuesday, once price broke out this range, it just kept going up. So I told myself if it breaks this green zone I have right here, then I'll give buys a shot. You guys could see. Now I ain't hold it because it started breaking high. So if you guys seen my last video, I already explained all of that. So I'm not gonna repeat myself all over again. Just go watch the last video that I posted. This was Wednesday. I went over Wednesday trade too. I said I should have bought here, but 930 been playing, so I wanted to be more secure since I lost the 2,000 down here. I wanted it. I didn't want to take another loss, so I just took it up here for 122. Now Thursday, which was yesterday, I took 2 trades. So I wasn't really looking for sales, even though that I did this overnight. I wasn't really looking for sales because we was in a bullish market. So in the 1 hour, come on, trading view. In the 1 hour, we was still bullish. You see, like this was just retesting this zone right here. I low-key thought I was gonna come retest this zone right here, but price never went down there. You guys could see this was a support. You see, this was resistance right here. It broke, and then support, and then it flew up. Right? You could also have your zone down here, but I think I got this zone out of the 5 minute, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah. So this zone right here, I was on the 5 minute. You guys can see resistance, support, resistance. So that's how I found this zone. Let me see on the 15 minute. Yeah, it don't look so good, but that's what I had to work with because during the night, early in the morning, you see how it touched this resistance and it dropped. So I was okay. So if price comes back down to this support, which it did, and pushes higher. Now if it were to break in this support, then obviously I was gonna sell. But if it hold this support, I was gonna buy. Now this is the 930 candle right here. No, it's not. I think this one is. No, yeah, it is that one. This big candle right here. No, I think that's 915. No, yeah, this is the 930 candle right here. So this is the 930. As you guys could see, I didn't get on the buy till it broke, till it started coming back up to this high right here. So once it got to the zone, once it broke this high right here, I was like, okay, so I'm gonna give buys a shot. Now, I was up like crazy in profit. Now, my trade looked like this because on Thursday I was like up here somewhere. You guys could see, but I didn't close. I didn't close. Cause you see, this is not a 122. I was looking for like a 122, cause again, I wanted to make I wanted to make way more money, cause I lost on Monday, but I was already up in profit for the week. But I wanted to just like make more profits. So what I did was I moved my stop from here to up here, to like this resistance right here. Well, which it was resistance. So like you see here, resistance, it broke through. So for what price did, let me mark it for you guys. What price did was just come back and retest this, what was resistance, turned it into support. But my stop was exactly at this level right here. So what price did, it came back down, it wicked it, and it pushed up. That's why I just put my stuff like this, so I wouldn't get confused when I'm explaining it to you guys. So that's what happened that day. It wasn't a negative day though, cause then later on, like a few minutes later, cause this happened at 9:55. So like at 10 o'clock, I got in another trade. I was if it breaks these highs. Now these were the higher highs. Like this zone right here was the highest US 30, YM, whatever. That was the highest that it got. So I was if it breaks this zone, I would get buys another shot. So here I got a 1-to-1, and then he only got like not even a 1-to-1, but for the day, it was like for both of those trades, it was like a 1.40 around there. Yeah, like a 1.40. So it wasn't a bad day. If I didn't move my stop, because remember guys, we don't know what the market's gonna do. Like, yeah, I should have known when I was looking over it. I should have known that, I might have want to come back to retest this level. So I should have just put my stop like under this support. But again, I didn't want to lose, like have a negative trade because of Monday. Monday I lost too much. So I didn't want to put it under this support, because then how about if it would have came back, it would have stopped me out while I was in profit. So I was like, if I ended this trade in profit, I should be fine. And then I just waited a little longer. Once it broke these highs, I wasn't really thinking, because look, if I would have gotten right here, this was what, not even like 38 pips. I wasn't really looking for that. Now here I went for 1-to-1 again, because this trade would have gave me more than what I was gonna get here. Now, you guys say, oh, you could have just hold it to the top, so like right here where it got, like right here. Like, yeah, this is a 1-to-2 right here. Like if I would have hold it, I would have got in here. This would have been a 1-to-2 easy, but it's not as easy as you guys think, because when market is live, you don't see none of this. You know what I'm saying? Like market could have easily came and rejected this zone right here, and then I would have just got like 38 pips, and I know myself, I wouldn't have left the trade with 38 pips. Here, I left because I already had moved my stop. I already told myself, hey, if you come down here, I'm getting out. But here, I wasn't gonna get out. I probably would have hit stop loss. But here it's different, because here I was up like a 1-to-1 at least. So once I hit my 1-to-1, I just moved my stops. But when I moved it to this resistance right here, which I should have lowered it. But you live and learn. Now with this one right here, you guys might have been like, okay, so why didn't you take it here? Now here I didn't take it because this was 38 pips from here to here. I'm not getting on a trade for 38 pips, no. If it don't give me at least a 1-to-1, I'm not getting in. But if you would have got in, then yeah, it worked out for you this time. But just be careful next time, because it could have just easily rejected this and dropped. Which that's what it did. It was just playing around up here. So yeah, that was my Thursday trade. These two trades right here. And then today we took this trade right here. Now, why did we take this trade? So now whoever caught these sells, congrats, my brother, because you just made a lot of money on a Thursday. Because if you would have caught it at least right here, from here to here, like if you just swinged this trade right here, I'll tell you right now, you would have made a lot of money on a Thursday. You didn't even have to trade today if you didn't want to. So good shit, whoever caught this move right here. I'm happy for y'all. But I didn't catch it because it was already in the afternoon. So I was like, but so this trade right here, like as you guys could see, it came back to the pip. Like whoever was holding this for more than a 1-to-1 got clapped because it only gave like a 1 to like probably like 56 pips, something like that, and then it just dropped. Now if you caught this, congrats, man. You have a lot of money. Let me get something. But today, so you guys can see market started dropping in that Thursday afternoon and like Thursday night. Price was just dropping. Now I was looking at price when it was like around here, right here. So yesterday night I told myself if it breaks this, price is just gonna melt, right? But if price would have broken up here, it would have went up. You know why? Because this is a W formation. It just didn't form this time. But if price would have broken this high right here, this zone right here, price was gonna keep going up. But that's not what price did. So last night I told myself that was if price by the time I wake up is breaking this zone, by 9:30 I will take a buy. But price broke down. So if it broke down, I need to sell because you need to go with the trend. Never make your own trend because you're just gonna get clapped every time. Never ever. So if you was buying here, first of all, why would you buy? Why would you take a buy right here? Or why would you take a buy right here when this zone is here? For you guys to take a buy, price has to break a high. You see how here it broke a low, so we already knew it was gonna go down. Here it hasn't broken any highs. Like right here hasn't broken any highs. Here hasn't broken any highs. That's why I was like, if it breaks this high right here, I will take a buy. Why? Because you're just following market structure. If for price to continue going higher, it has to keep making highs. So as you guys could see, this high is bigger than this high, right? This high is bigger than this high. And then this high is bigger than this high. Now here, this high was trying to make a new high, but it couldn't. Price went down. Now when price goes down, this low right here is lower than this low. Then this low is lower than this low, and then this low is lower than this low. So why the hell will you buy? There's no point of you. If there's no point of you catching this little move right here, when you could have just waited and catch this entire move right here. There's no point of you holding this, catching this little move because it touched this support, catching this little move when you could have just caught this move right here. And as you guys could see, the sells were playing faster than the buys. 100%. They were playing faster than the buys. Because look at this candle right here. Now this is an 1 hour candle. Look at this red candle right here at 3 o'clock in the morning. So if you was in London session and you saw this candle, and then you see this retest, you should just sell. Put your stops over the zone, because if it get back to the zone, most likely it's just gonna be playing around. It's gonna be ranging. But that's not what it did. So just go with the trend. No, don't ever go against it, because you're just gonna keep losing your money, and then you're gonna be all depressed and shit. So today, once I woke up, this is the 9:30 candle. So this is what was going on this morning. When I sat down, what time is it? 8:30. I sat down like right here, 8:30, 8:45. So when I sat down, I wasn't gonna buy on this zone right here. I don't know, I just wasn't feeling it buying in this zone right here. First of all, because we was going down. So price was probably, if price would have broken this zone, now if we would have broken this one right here, it's easier for me because you see there's not that much noise over here. Like here, it's basically like clean traffic once you break these highs right here. Because this is clean traffic. The only problem that we would have had would have been this support, this resistance right here. But that was it. But I wasn't really looking for buys, to be honest, because once it broke this zone and it broke this low, price just has to come back and retest this low. And then that's what price did right here. Now, at what was it, 925? Where could I see it better at? Yeah, 925. So this is a 15-minute chart, but this candle happened on like 925. This one right here. So once I see this candle going down like this, because at one point this red candle was all the way down here. At one point, I was like, damn, I missed the move. I was like, damn, I probably won't take a trade no more, because I missed this move. This was the move I was waiting for right here. Now, yeah, there was more opportunities, but you know, I had all these zones here. Like I said, it's easier for you to see it when it's like this, when you see all this, than when you see this. You know what I'm saying? Like, this is what I saw right here. I mean, I already seen what happened. I was already on my trade, but you know, like price was already rejecting this zone. You guys could see 1, 2, 3. It rejected it 3 times, right? So it's not always how you guys see it. Like, not yet. We do know what happened because we already see it. We seen what happened already. But when it's live, I was like, damn. So I probably would have waited for more confirmations for me to sell. But this right here wasn't looking good for sellers. Like rejection. Now this is the 5-minute. We go on the 15. See, look on the 15. This is with this candle right here. Even if I was staying in the trade, I would have got out. I ain't gonna lie to you, I would have got out on this candle right here, on the 15-minute candle. On this candle right here. Because that means the price, most of the times, that means the price is about to start heading up. Now, this is a retest of this green zone. So we go to the 4-hour. This right here was a retest. Could have been a retest of this zone. But that's why you guys have to be really, really careful and look at the market. Because you could have thought this was a retest on the 4-hour. This could have been a retest on the 1-hour. Because look at this wick that it left. But price just came back down, filled this wick, and then it just kept dropping. So when this happened on 925, I was seeing this candle. I was like, damn, I missed the move. But then 930, like 928, no, like at 929, almost 930, price started pulling back. So this is like 120. Let me go in the 1 minute so you guys can see it better. So this is what price did. So what time is this? 929. Price started pulling back, and I was like, okay, I like that, because then that means that I could possibly get in this trade. So then I didn't get in right away at 930 like I usually do. I didn't put this was a market execution, like I did it myself. Because look at this candle, bro. This candle pushed all the way up here, retested this zone, because that's what it was doing. It was just retesting this zone right here that it just broke. It was just retesting it, but this was a deep retest. And then it just melted. So I got in while the candle was coming down. That's why I was only on this trade for... I was on this trade for what, like 3 minutes? Because I got in right here. So 1, 2. So I was in this trade for 2 minutes. Because I caught the move coming down. Now, yeah, you know, I love it when this happens though. Like when stuff like this happen. Or when stuff like this happen. I love it. Even though I didn't catch the entire move, I still love it. You know why? Because then that means that you're doing something right. That means that you're looking at the market the right way. That means that you know, your analysis for that day was right. Because even though you caught some of it, even though you didn't catch the whole thing, that means that your analysis was still right. You was just, you know, you was good with the profit you made. So here, that happened here, that happened here, that happened here. You see? You just flew up. And then that happened here. So imagine I would have hold all these moves. Let's say I would have hold it to this resistance right here. Let's say I would have hold it to this resistance right here. Let's say I would have hold it to this resistance right here. This one, let's say I would have hold it to here. It would have been crazy. But that's something I'm working on, like leaving my trades run longer, because this week would have been a crazy week for me. But you know, we all go through stuff, we are learning. That's why I have the Discord, because then we all learn together. But when this happens, don't feel don't feel like you're a bad trader. No, this means that you're obviously doing something right. You obviously are doing something right. Now, my loss on Monday, I wasn't really that hurt. I was only hurt because, we lost $2,000. We lost 2 grand. But at the same time, I wasn't really hurt. It was just price. Just wanted a range because you guys could see it. It didn't break here. It didn't break here. It didn't break here. It didn't break here. So price was just ranging on Monday, which is really, really weird for price to not move on Monday, because price usually be moving on Monday. If anything, it should arrange like today or like not Wednesdays. Well, I like Wednesdays. Wednesdays are not that bad. But yeah, guys, like I was saying, when this happens, that you don't catch the entire move, don't feel like that you're a bad trader because of that. Just know that your analysis was on point and that it worked out. You know what I'm saying? So don't feel bad about that. The other thing I wanted to say, there's a lot of people, once I posted my loss on Monday, telling me that why don't I trade? Why don't I try something else? I was like, no, I'm not going to try nothing else because this is the trade. This is the system, my trading style that, that I'm winning with. You're never going to have a 100% win rate in trading. Never. And if they tell you they are getting 100% win rate, they're lying. Because I don't even think that's possible, not even with a bot. Not even a bot could have 100% win rate. You know what I'm saying? Like, you're going to take losses, you're going to take wins. The one thing you guys need to do is this is a sneak peek of the risk management video. Because we haven't hit 50 subscribers yet. Once we hit 50 subscribers, then I will post the risk management video. But this is a sneak peek since it's Friday. Your wins have to eat up your losses, if that makes any sense. So if you lose, obviously you're gonna be looking to lose like whatever you're risking. So if you're risking 500, you want to lose at 500, right? Now I usually take more than one trade, so more than one losing. I give myself like 2 or 3 setups a day. If I lose the third one, then that's it. But let's say you lose 500 on Monday. By Tuesday comes and you win 1,000 or 1,500. That 1,000 already ate that 500, so you're already in profit. That 1,500 still, now you're up $1,000. If you did a 1, 2, 3, then now you're up $1,000, because then you grabbed back from the market while you lost on Monday, and then you took some more from the market. So you took, let's say, 1,000, right? So that's the trick. So that's why we say that risk management is like a big part of trading. Like all this right here, all these lines, all these zones that I have. Yeah, it's a lot, but then you need to work on your psychology, on your risk management. Because then if you're on a trade, like right here, when I was on this trade, I told myself I wasn't going to lose because I was already up like $800 almost. So I was like, nah, I'm not gonna go negative. I don't care if I'm positive by $1. I'm not going negative on this trade. So I was okay with leaving money at the table, but I wasn't okay of losing 500 or like whatever I was risking that day. You know what I'm saying? So I didn't mind. I didn't care if I closed the trade at $2 in profit, $1 in profit. I didn't really care. I just didn't want to lose whatever I was risking on a trade that I was up $700, $600, $800. So that's the mindset. Well, that's what works for me. Everybody else works differently. Everybody else has different strategies. Everybody else trades at a different time, So yeah, we all got mentors, but like my mentors were great. They were great. But we would, like, I don't trade like any of them. All I did was take pieces from each of them and just made it my own. That's what I did. So I just grabbed, let's say, market structure from one of them, marking my zones from my other mentor and stuff like that. Now, just as long as you have all of that set up already, you guys should be good, to be honest. Now follow me on Instagram. I be posting everything on Instagram, the profits I made for that day. Cause here on YouTube I post like what Monday. I post Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays. So here's just a recap of what I have done in those days. You know what I'm saying? And I'm gonna try making it more interesting. I'm looking for. I'll probably go get a GoPro one of these days. Cause my days, and probably just record my days and all of that stuff. Just follow me on Instagram so you guys can keep be up to date with everything. And yeah, guys, let's keep practicing for next week. Next week we can make way more money than what we did this week. Hopefully you guys had a great week this week, cause I did. I had an awesome week this week. Let's keep the momentum going for next week. We currently are on the 4th winning streak. We're gonna be working on now going on the 5th winning streak. Now, if you guys want to join the Discord, it's still free. There's some people there, but I try talking, but they don't really talk. But as long as we could get the Discord popping, I would some days during the week I'll probably go live on Discord with you guys, so you guys could see what is it that I see and what works for me and might work for you. I don't know. So yeah, guys. Hopefully you guys had a great week this week. Let's have another great week next week. All right, peace out, guys. Love ya.